beauties, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much, Unice here, for sending me this beautiful copper brown wig. As you guys can see in the beginning of the video, this hair came in a body wave texture. It was so beautiful, so thick, so full. I was like, oh my god. I was kind of scared for the color, but this color is definitely beautiful. It's perfect for the summer. This, I believe they sent me, I believe this is a 26 inches, guys. This hair is definitely long. Let me stand up and show you guys how long it comes. Look how long, guys. This hair is so soft. Like I say in all my Unice videos, every time they send me hair, their units are always so soft, so silky, and so buttery, and it's barely any tangling or shedding. So what I did was I parted the hair, the middle part. I blow dried it out. And then what I did was I put these beautiful wand curls in it. And also, guys, this hair can straighten, this hair can curl. It can do whatever you need it to do. I'm loving this color. So let's just get into the details of this hair. So on Amazon, this is the hair on Amazon. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the hair on Amazon. So it says Unice 12A body wave copper brown 13x4 lace front human hair wigs pre-plucked with baby hair glueless frontal, and this is 180 density. So it definitely feels like 180 density because it's very full from the top to the bottom. Actually, this is a 24 inch, I think, but it really looks like it's a 26 inch, but it's actually a 24 inch. And it is completely gorgeous, guys. Like, this is perfect for the summer. And one thing about it too is that if you want this color but you want it to be a little bit more darker, you could definitely go in and dye it darker. Maybe if you want like a burgundy color, you can definitely dye this hair. You can do the roots. I didn't do anything to the roots. I kept it as is. And as you guys can see, I put a little bit of baby hair. And yes, no complaints about this hair. It is completely gorgeous. Thank you so much, Unice, for sending me this unit. If you guys are interested in this hair, always, all of the information for any unit that I post will be in the description below. Thank you so much, Unice, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.